They were kind of bought for a different purpose.
These are for winter driving conditions. Chain. Yeah, get the mic on it. That's good. Chains.
Chains.
Excuse me. Do you have chains for a 20?
I do!
Chains!
Cha-cha chain. These are chains.
In the basement, you will find chains. But who was chained to the chains? Someone not very nice. And now they're coming for you!
Unless you chains, you're mine.
Chains.
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 Rattle. Clink.
Spooky sounds.
Rattle pop. Clink. Chain sounds.
All the things you want to hear.
This is what a chain would sound like. Rattle, rattle. Rattle, rattle.
Oh, yeah.
The sound of metal.
I like it. Metal against metal.
Drip.
Against metal.
Drip. Drip. Drip.
That's my lunch. Chains. Chains. Ooh. That's good.
There's so many chains down here.
Oh my gosh, how many?
Go down these creepy steps.
Yes, go down and count the chains. 1, 2, I'll count the...
Here's counting the steps.
Yeah, I'll count the steps. You count the chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, I'm down here.
Okay, now your turn.
I'm counting the chains. There's so many chains. Oh no, the chains! They're enveloping me! No, the chains!
I'm dying. The chains are choking me to death. I never should have come down here to count the chains.
Now I don't even know how many chains there are.
Bing bong!
Come in.
Sorry, my car broke down outside. Do you have any chains?
Oh, yes.
Thank you. It's ever so rainy outside. You seem like an abnormal man.
Why, thank you.
Oh, that's an abnormal response.
What do you expect from an abnormal man?
I don't know. Sorry. I'm on my way to marry my fiancée. Again, do you have any chains to put on my car?
I do.
Where are they located? Downstairs?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go down these creepy stairs.
1, 2. Sorry, I always
count
count.
the
Yeah, I
stairs?
always do that.
Okay.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, I'm down here. Okay, well, there's lots of chains. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. What are they doing? Oh, they're enveloping me. No, my fiancé! The chains! They're choking me to death! There's another guy down here! Bing bong!
I'll get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11.
Hi. I'm also looking for chains.
Also, what do you mean?
I don't know. I thought another guy come in here. I figured he was probably coming in for chains, too. Oh, hell of a place you got here.
Why, thank you.
Bit of a spooky vibe. I really wish everyone listening could hear or could see how spooky it is.
Why don't you explain it to them? What do you see?
Oh, well, there's lots of cobwebs.
Yes.
Seems to be a ghost dog.
Check.
It's a nice old radiator.
Thank you.
You don't see those a lot anymore.
Nope.
Yeah, it seems kind of ghost dog again.
Yes.
Another ghost dog.
Correct.
Looks like a castle. Kind of like got some electrical equipment, sparking sparks.
Hey, that's what I was going for. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyways, so where you got the chains? Downstairs?
How did you know?
Just I figured saw the other guy. Go down these stairs.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, down here.
Okay.
Oh no, the chains!